To calculate a desuperheater, open the dedicated calculation standard. This calculation standard has a dedicated scope of products and some preset values for this application. The desuperheater, also called recuperator, recovers energy to heat or preheat water or other fluids for different purposes, typically domestic hot water heating and floor heating. The desuperheater gives a partial heat recovery, meaning only a small amount of energy is transferred from the refrigerant to the water, in relation to a condenser which gives full heat recovery. The desuperheater is usually positioned in between a compressor and a condenser. The process in the desuperheater is always gas cooling, meaning a single-phase process where the fluid is always in gas state. Therefore, the ports should be as large as possible and a distribution system should absolutely not be used. Let's make a calculation of a desuperheater. Enter a capacity of 50 kW. Change the fluid on the hot side to R134A. Enter an inlet temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. And we set the inlet pressure to 20 bar. And the outlet temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. On the cold side, enter an inlet temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. And we set the outlet temperature to 40 degrees. Press Calculate Result List. Now we have a result list. The pressure drop on the hot side, where we have the gas, must be very low, typically 10 to 20 kPa. Low theta channels, like CB110L, is more suitable than high theta channels like CB112AM, which requires many more plates for the same duty. Please note that if there is a very large temperature difference between the hot inlet and the cold inlet, there is a risk for thermal fatigue of the unit. A maximum delta T of 50 to 70 K is recommended.